What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here, we're helping you feel successful in your kitchen with super simple and delicious recipes. We do a lot of dinner recipes around here, but today we're gonna pop over to desserts. Christmas is right around the corner, and so I wanna get some of my Christmas cookies and baking out of the way before it's time to celebrate. So today I'm going to make some peanut butter chocolate star cookies that are so good and so classic. I grew up eating these. Generally at the store you would find Brach's chocolate star cookie or chocolate stars. I couldn't find those this time, so I just went with the store brand chocolate stars, which will totally work. Now you won't find these in the baking aisle. You'll actually need to head over to the candy aisle, and that's where you'll find these. So stick around today. We're gonna make peanut butter chocolate star cookies. We're going to start this cookie recipe with half a cup of softened salted butter. That's 1 stick. Then we're going to add in half a cup of creamy peanut butter. Then we're going to add the sugars. Half a cup of brown sugar. I had a 1/4 cup measure here, so I had to do it twice. Half a cup brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and then you're going to cream this all together. You need to run the mixer or your hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes. That is how you properly cream butter and sugar together. Now we're going to add in 1 egg, and I like to crack it into a separate container and then add it in so that you don't get any eggshells in there by accident. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to get this mixed together again, probably just for another minute, minute and a half is totally sufficient. Now we're going to get the dry ingredients ready. I love this tip, using a piece of parchment paper, putting a fine mesh sieve over top, and you're going to sift the ingredients onto the parchment paper, which is going to become a funnel. So you need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then you're just going to sift all of that together so there's no clumps and lumps left in the mix. And then you're going to see how I pick this piece of parchment paper up with each side and slowly let the dry ingredients add in to that cookie mixture. Love this tip. You can use it with anything that needs dry ingredients added into the mixer. Now your dough is all ready. Look at it. That's perfect. Now I've got my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And what we're going to do now is use this cookie scoop. This is one of my favorite kitchen tools. You can find it in my Amazon storefront. About a tablespoon of cookie dough each. Roll it into a nice little ball, and then you're going to roll it in white sugar. Make sure you coat all the sides of that cookie ball. Then we're just going to repeat that with all of that cookie dough until we fill up that baking sheet. All right, this is the last one, so we're going to get this rolled in the sugar, and then I'm going to pop these in just like this without the star at 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and then at the end of 10 minutes I'm going to pull these out. I'm going to lightly press a chocolate star into each one of these cookies and then pop it back in for 2 to 2.5 minutes, and then they'll be ready. These are hot and fresh out of the oven. My whole house smells like peanut butter and chocolate. They are absolutely perfect. So I really hope that you give these old-fashioned peanut butter and chocolate star cookies a try in your kitchen, and that they help you feel like a success at dessert time, snack time, treat time, the holidays, whenever you decide to make these. And I hope that you'll join me next week for another video on Tuesday. See ya.